Okay, so we're on a journey looking at sequences and series. We're beginning that journey. And specifically right now we're talking about from section or chapter section 10-1, where we're going to be looking at sequences as functions. Now, a sequence is a set of numbers in a particular order or pattern. Each number in a sequence is called a term. Sequences can be finite, meaning that they've got a limited number of terms within the sequence, or they can be infinite. They go on without end. And let's see, and we're looking here in this particular video, we're going to consider and talk about identifying arithmetic sequences. And arithmetic sequences are characterized by the fact that they have a common difference. We'll also be talking about geometric sequences, and they're characterized by the fact that they would have a common ratio. So, but here we're given a sequence, and we're being asked to determine, is this sequence arithmetic? Let me back up till we have arithmetic, we can have geometric, and then they can be neither arithmetic or geometric. But arithmetic, again, is looking for a common difference. So here we've got a sequence, 7, 12, 16, and 20. So let's approach this and see what our difference is. Well, the difference between 7 and 12 is 5. And the difference between 12 and 16 is 4. Well, we can stop right there if we're asked to identify whether or not this is an arithmetic sequence, because the common difference between 7 and 12 is 5, and the difference between 12 and 16 is 4. We do not have a common difference in this sequence, and so no, this is not an arithmetic sequence. Let's go look at another one. All right, well, here we have another sequence, a set of numbers in a particular order. This one, as did the last one, happens to be infinite, and when this is characterized by the ... right there, telling us that it continues on in this same pattern, if there is a pattern that does in fact exist. And so let's see, we're going to determine whether there is a common difference. Well, our first number in our sequence is -6, which we would denote by the letter A subscript 1. And the second number in our sequence, which we could denote as by the letter A subscript 2. Let's see our difference, -6 and 3. Well, that's going to be 9. There's a difference of 9 between -6 and 3. And between 3 and 12, well, there's also a difference of 9. And the difference between 12 and 21, again, is 9. And so it looks like we've got an established common difference of 9. And based on the information that we have before us, then we can say that, yes, this is an arithmetic sequence. And we're done. Identifying arithmetic sequences.